I didn't mean for it to become a cult.
You seem like somebody who is very smart. How did you become part of this cult?
Well, hard to believe, but the high Hank is very charismatic and charming, and it lures you in.
Pizza people. I just wanted to spread the word on the good pizza with friends, you know. Pizza people.
Hail Mary!
Free from Greece!
Hail Mary!
Free from Greece! The power in that pizza is intense. And I let it go to my head. I assimilated the culture and found myself some followers. I just gave them what they already wanted.
Our symbol is the pizza. It is round, like the circle of life.
The crust has risen.
I did not anticipate the jealousy.
The crust has risen.
You like to eat pizza.
The fury was so quick.
You like cold pizza.
You couldn't stop it.
I can't explain it, but their superpower is bringing the community together.
People still blame me for the marinara scare of '84. Felt as low as I could feel. But I found myself a new image, and I'm taking these decrees to the streets. But I believe in my whole heart their pizza is the bread of life.